Today we're showing you a 2022 John Deere 5100M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat and air. Tractor has just over 800 hours on it. It's a very clean, very nice tractor. It does come with the balance of the factory warranty. Tractor is rated at 100 horsepower on the engine, 85 at the PTO. A couple small scuffs in the decal here. Overall, very nice machine. Does have the work lights on front and back of the cab. Has a corner post exhaust. Radial tires all the way around it. Does have the steps and doors on both sides of the cab. Also has the mid valve and joystick. If you want to add a loader, you certainly can do so. A little bit of paint off of the rims here, but overall, again, very nice tractor. Tractor's triple remotes in the back here. 540N, 540E PTO. Has a heavy-duty 3-point arms. Buttons on the fender to raise and lower the 3-point. I'll show you the inside of the cab here. It's got the air ride seat for the operator. That seat does swivel left and right. Also has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand powered reverser here in the steering column allows you to change direction without clutching. Again, does have the loader control. If you want to add a loader, you certainly can do so. Has the 16-speed transmission, 4 ranges, 4 gears on this lever. Gives you a total of 16 speeds. And then it does have a declutch button right there in the shifter as well. All your PTO 3-point hydraulic 4-wheel drive switches and engagement levers are located on the panel there to the right. Up top you have climate controls, has a sun visor, rear view mirror. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at Mast Tractor